Hey everyone, we have this India Gate Pulav Basmati rice, so let's check it out. This is 1 kg pack, MRP is 165, but if you buy it online on Amazon, Flipkart or Blinkit, you easily get it for 120 to 125 and it has a shelf life of 3 years. Its grain are all full grain, quite clean, slender and long. For pulav, you need long grain rice and these are exactly like that. So first wash the rice thoroughly 3-4 times and then soak it for 30 minutes. Now boil 5 cup of water to rolling boil and then add the soaked drained rice. Cook it uncovered for 6-7 minutes on medium flame and then strain out the remaining water. If you are cooking in pressure cooker, for 1 cup of rice take 2 cup of water and then 1 whistle. And look at the grain. Each grain is completely separate, non-sticky and the grain size is also decent. It is also flavorful to eat and you get the taste of basmati. That is exactly the rice you need for pulav, and this rice will not break while making pulav. But for me, daily dal chawal, it doesn't work well. It's not that soft like daily dal chawal should be. So for biryani and pulav, I would suggest you can give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.